What's up? Welcome back in downtown LA. Me and Jizzle about to go up in there and do some things. He got some unfinished business with these merch people. About to get up in here and grab us some food and see what's cracking. Alright, let's go. Today, he's got a call from Jizzle. He's gonna go through some of his accounts and try to get his some of his merch. He's doing merch on the side. Because he do merch on the side, so he called me up to see what's up. You know what I mean?
Yeah, right there.
So he finna go do his thing. While I do my thing, I'll chill. So just picked up one of his boxes. You know, from Italy. Where that coming in from?
Authentic show.
Authentic show.
Says it's the banners.
That's just battery, dude. Let me hold that up. Damn, nigga. That's some heavy stuff. Look at that. Look at some heavy stuff. Look at this dude. Boy. Man.
It's always work in progress. You know, I do a variety of things. You know, I mentioned in the past that I was a chef.
Yeah.
Man, you know, I dress.
Yeah.
You know?
Let the people know that. I carry him in that box. Dang. This nigga. Gotta hustle. You don't work, you don't eat. Man, there's no more merch up in here. Dang. Oh, my photo. No speezy for cheesy. You know what I'm saying? Slept on Jizzle coming over here, man. I told him. Forgave me, boy. I'm getting my rub on, you know what I'm saying? You don't like that? The Jeans USA, we up here waiting on Jizzle. You know, he's getting his little this along. And y'all go follow me on Instagram, Jean USA. So we up here just right along today. Round and round.
Yeah, we go round.
So we over here still running errands. And you know, I'm a ride along again. You know, the day in the life and the merch.
Man,
executive.
We out here, man. Hey, this is called networking that we doing. We networking. Mm-hmm. You know? Yeah, moving and grooving.
We all know where we about to go meet Irania. The homie Irania over there. What's the name of the
Jeans USA.
Jeans USA, y'all go support it. He got a lot of them skinny jeans, y'all like, you know what I'm saying?
Hey, skinny jeans, stacked denim.
All of that, acid wash jeans, all that.
Please believe.